Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on business level strategies. Let's start with the introduction. Business strategy takes place at a production level for a strategic business unit level. Its focus is to improve the competitive position of the product or service of a company in a particular market segment or industry. Types of business level strategies entail: first, cost leadership; second, differentiation; and third, focused. Let's start with cost leadership. A strategy that is used by businesses to reduce production cost in order for it to be below the average in the industry or below the competitors and increase efficiency is a cost leadership business strategy. Basically, it refers to a business that has most inexpensive prices and charges lower prices compared to its competitors in the market for its products. The strategy where the lowest price is offered to its customer segments in the market by a company is referred to as cost leadership strategy. This strategy comes in handy when a company can sell or produce products at the lowest cost compared to others in the market, and when at the same time the customers are price sensitive. Some of the advantages are: profits can be increased, the market can be dominated over time, and the stability of the business can be improved. Whereas risks on the other hand include: success depends on a large volume of sales, the capital required by the company might not be available, and finally, cuts made in areas due to this might harm the business. The best example of cost leadership is Walmart. The way Walmart started is responsible for its standing attitude. Sam Walton, the founder, wanted the lowest prices to be its primary focus. Apart from low prices, scale and volume is another critical cornerstone that builds up Walmart's advantage over other companies. Walton knew that small margins could be made up for with more significant volume of sale. He knew that in time, economies of scale could be achieved along with absolute bargaining power with the help of said volume. This would have Walmart shape the retail landscape and supply sector to its own benefit. Another example of cost leadership is IKEA. IKEA sells home decoration and daily necessities along with self-assembled furniture and happens to be the largest and the most successful furniture manufacturers and seller in the world. It was founded in 1943 in Sweden and has been a leader in the market for 73 years. IKEA is always on the lookout for suppliers who manufacture sub-assemblies that are well designed and easy to assemble at the lowest cost. Most of the furniture sold by IKEA have to be assembled by customers themselves. Moving on to the other strategy, differentiation. The strategy where the services and products are offered on the basis of differentiated features by companies is referred to as differentiation. Providing services or products with unique features as compared to its competitors is the basis of differentiation strategy. Differentiation strategy requires a unique thought process and innovation. It is based on making the service or product noticeable and different from its competitors. When consumers are not price sensitive and are more quality oriented, this strategy is more successful. The basis of differentiation can be price, product features, product, after sales service, etc. The advantages of this strategy is: brand loyalty is created which turns client into fans of the product. It makes marketing easier. You can price a product higher if you can manage to increase its demand, and if you produce a product in high demand, you can price it higher. Risk on the other hand, cost is high, too different could be harmful, and some buyers are excluded. The best example of a company practicing this strategy is Tesla. Tesla is based out of California and is an American clean energy and electronic vehicle company. In 2019, it was ranked the world's best-selling plug-in battery electric passenger manufacturer after 11 years of being in the market. By 2019, it had 23% market share in the battery electric segment and 17% of market share in the plug-in segment. Tesla vehicle sales increased globally by 50% from 2018 to 2019, as it changed from 250,000 units ballpark to 370,000 units. 81% of the total battery vehicles sold by first half of 2020 in the United States were Teslas. As compared to their internal combustion competitors, the battery-powered vehicles by Tesla are much more simplistic. Its competitors, the internal combustion engine vehicles, have around 2,000 parts, whereas Tesla has a significantly lower number, around 20 parts per vehicle only. Moving on to the third strategy under business level, focused. Companies focus on specific end markets, customer segments in this strategy. Targeting a specific or a small group of consumers with unique product is a basis of a focused differentiation business strategy. This requires your service or product to have differentiated features that are capable of meeting the demands of a niche market. Advantages: high prices can be charged, limited competition, and customer loyalty can be built. Risk: growth capabilities can be limited due to limited demand. Larger competitors can outcompete you and your niche could disappear. and businesses that adopt an even narrow focus can outcompete you. The best example in this case is Marshall Amplification. Marshall, a British company, is a manufacturer and designer of speaker cabinets, music amplifiers, personal earphones, and headphones. The founder, Jim Marshall, is a drummer and a drum shop owner. Marshall's guitar amplifiers are very famous all over the world. A crunch and a sizzling distortion are characteristics of their signature sound. After guitarists like Pete Townshend visited a drum shop owned by Marshall and complained about the guitar amplifier in the market not having enough volume or the right sound, Jim came up with the signature sound. More examples that fall under the focus category are Ray-Ban for sunglasses, Levi's for denim wear, Johnson & Johnson for baby products, and Lego for toys. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on business level strategies. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you've liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.